So I wanted to try to clarify a question that I had on the cam exhaust gear and the position of the kidney bean here. So this kidney bean dictates how much clock you can actually clock the hub to. I've seen some people post that this kidney bean needs to be this bolt needs to be aligned in the middle of the kidney bean, which allows me a clock rotation of about 15 degrees in both ways, 30 degrees total. So does this bolt need to be aligned in the middle of this cam gear, or can this cam gear be in the current position that it's in, so whenever I clock my hub, it's correct? So I'll try to demonstrate that. Please disregard the mess. Set the phone down for just 1 second. I don't want to drop another. Bolt. So as you can see, these lines don't correspond correctly. I wish that they did, but they don't. As you can see, I have one bolt in here now. If I clock all the way left, that's what I'm with. That is not level. That's probably at an 8-degree angle here. I can start, this is basically level, and then clocking right, it looks like it's at about an 8-degree turn. This hole almost lines up with the middle of the cam, as you can see. So again, the question is about that cam gear. Is it in the correct position, or do I need to clock it more left or right, that then dictates how much this turns and where it is? I'm just concerned on the timing part. I do appreciate the help, any input that you have, and hope to have the car running soon. Thanks, guys.